Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Yes, today I have a recipe for us. This is how to make Nigeria Egbusi soup, my daddy's way. You know, from my dad I learned, the first time I learned how to cook Egbusi soup, it was from my dad, and I am want to prepare step by step how he cooked that Egbusi soup that I can never forget. So let's just trail along with me as you know I show you how to make this Egbusi soup. So here is our pot. I hope you guys can see it. So the first thing I'm going to pour is this our pomo. This is a cow skin. I'll pour it in. This cow skin has a lot of fats in it, so I will be boiling it twice. That is why you are seeing this second pot here. Inside this is hot water. So I'll boil this for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, I'll be back to turn off the water. Alright guys, here is it. I am going to turn off the water. You can see the oil. Just take a look at this. Now let's go. Put it back on the fire and then pour this inside again. You have to cook it again for another 10 minutes. Here is it. It's now 10 minutes. We'll pour it out again. Then back to the fire. And this time we are going to pour in our gizzard. Alright guys, I'm going to pour in, I'm not using cold water. Pour in a little bit of hot water from the, take out the calcium, from the water that I was boiling. Not much. Then to that I am going to add just half teaspoon of salt. Just only half teaspoon. Half level teaspoon of salt. And this is the only salt I'm going to use for this soup. Then I'll pour in my onions. I'm not going to put all because I'll still be needing these onions. This soup is going, okay, let me just add all and then slice another one. Okay, here we are. We cover it and allow it to cook. I know some of you are wondering why I did not put the fish. I'll put the fish later. Okay guys, here we are. I'm going to also pour this one out. Okay. Empty pot. Let it dry, then I'll put in my palm oil. My original homemade palm oil. This is original homemade. I'm going to do a review on this oil in my next video. Okay, I'll add a little oil. going to bleach it. We'll just allow it to get hot a little bit. Alright guys, if you have been following me up till this stage, I say thank you so much and God bless you. Don't forget, this is Princess Chi Vlog, bringing to your doorstep today a recipe how to cook egusi soup my daddy's way. Yeah, like I said earlier, I learned how to cook egusi soup from my dad, and today I'm showing us step by step how he makes his own egusi soup. So I'll put in my egusi, I'll put in my onion. My daddy's way of making Nigerian egusi soup. Yeah, if you have any recipe for Princess Chi Vlog, just reach out to me on reach out to me on pjiribacall@gmail.com, or you can also get me at pichiglobalkitchen@gmail.com. You can reach me at anesgoldtv24@gmail.com. Whichever way. Check us out we are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Telegram, just name it. We are all weather. All right guys, here we are. Let me show you guys. This is it. So here I'll pour in my tomato puree. You know, let's chit chat a little, guys. Now, for those of us that were born in the 60s, late 60s, 70s, and then down to 80s, and you know those days when you have when you get your new bobo now, and you want to go and pay him a visit. You know how these bachelor guys prepare themselves. They will clean everywhere. If you see the kind of food these people cook, I think that is how my dad cooked this egusi soup when he was a bachelor. But he never forgets it, and you can never ask him to cook egusi soup for you in any other way. If you don't follow this method, he will not eat it. So those are our guys that time. When then the boborios, they want to impress us, they will cook. There's this particular stew my husband used to cook when I met him newly. Oh my goodness. And when he cooks this stew with this Titus fish and they put this. See, men, you that is looking at me, you people are wonderful. You people are wonderful. When they want to cook themselves or go to the market, they will almost buy the whole market and come home. And when they want to drop food money for you, they will tell you to manage. My dear, let me not just go. This one is a story for another day. Let's continue with my daddy's way of cooking Nigeria egusi soup. Yeah, this is Princess Chi Vlog. Welcome. If you are just stopping by, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and also turn on that golden bell beside it and let it jingle. Hey sweetie, what is the problem? Why are you not sharing this video? I want you to share this video. Share it, let it go viral. Let people see how my dad cooked his own Nigeria egusi soup. So let me not bore you guys too much, because if you leave me here, I can talk for Africa. So here we go. Lower the lights. Oh my word, this is it. As if he's cooking stew. That's exactly the way my dad cooks, Okay, let's keep going. All right, at this point we are going to pour on our egusi. and still together, still. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys are amazing. I don't know what I would have done on the street of Whitey without you guys watching my video. You guys are wonderful. I don't even know which word to use to qualify you guys, but you are amazing. You guys are amazing. So here is it. Alright guys, to this Egbusi soup, I'm going to pour in this my okpeyi. I've already mixed it with water and sieve out the parts that I don't need because of sand. Because sometimes these things contain sand, some of the time. So I'll put in the okpeyi inside. The water is not enough. I'm still going to add the water from the stock, the meat that I boiled. How to cook Nigeria Egbusi soup my daddy way. And I know most bachelors also cook it like that. Most of our brothers and our husbands then, they also cook it this way. At this point I'm going to put in half tablespoon of pepper. I eat pepper a lot, but because of those members of my family that don't eat pepper, so I'll just minimize the pepper. Now this is winter time. You need to eat pepper to keep your body warm. They're not in my house, so if you put too much pepper, they will refuse the food. Nobody will eat it. You eat it all by yourself. All right. So at this point, I am going to pour in my meat and allow the meat to also, get all the ingredients from the Egbusi. Oh, my dad, my handsome open teeth dad. I got my open teeth from my dad. He's a very handsome young man. As some of you know, guys, I don't use crayfish in my soup, so that okpeyi that I use serves as my crayfish and my maggi and everything. So right now I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. Okay guys, here we are. I had to change the pot because the soup just doubled. The Egbusi just doubled. My people, you need to try this Egbusi, my daddy way of cooking Nigeria Egbusi soup. It will double in the pot. Yeah, it is. Don't mind my pot. Okay, at this point I am going to put in other ingredients that remain. So let's put in dry fish. This soup na helele egbeju. Yes, so welcome to Princess Chi Vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that, and if you are one of my followers, you have been following me on this channel. Thank you so much. God bless you for always coming back to check out on me. Thank you, I appreciate. Then I'll put in my olubu. Cannot cook. You see ogbono Egbusi, I can't cook it without olubu. That's the way my dad also cook. My dad mixes. He will put olubu and he will put spinach. But I don't like spinach. I prefer olubu, bitter leaf. This video is getting too longer than I thought to. I wanted it to be nothing less than 15 minutes, but the way I'm seeing it, it's getting more than that, and I don't like that. I don't like that. Guys, I took out some sauce from some soup from the pot. You'll see what I will do with it right away. Here is my fish. You can see I did not parboil it. Like I said, I want to follow this soup step by step the way my dad cooks it. And this is exactly the way he cooks his Egbusi soup. See, after putting in the fish, what he does is he now take this soup and pour it on top of the fish. Hey, that my old man, no be here. The man sabi cook for Africa. And then we cover and allow to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Ooh, guys, see the food. We are done. Time to serve. Can you hear that sound? Don't try my daddy's way of cooking Egbusi soup. Oh. You cannot beat him on cooking Egbusi soup. So thank you so much everyone for staying with me till this time. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video, guys. Come on, let's help this ministry to get to its permanent site. Share this video and watch out for us on our next video.